here we are again. This time I'm just asking stupid questions, I think. So, MIDI learning in Amplitube 5. Let's load it up there. There we go. And now when we go here and do this, nothing happens in here, you know, which means that, you know, we let's try it again with this one, which means we can't learn it. And then, because I can, and I also have this one, let's put that in there. So this is the native instruments, guitar plucking. Let's put a amp there, and now what? So we instantly get that, and now we click that, and what happens? Ooh, it works. So I'm just wondering why we can't do that in Amplitube. Would be nice, you know. All right, that's it. A useless video.